Good day, everyone. How are you? I hope you're all doing well. So, welcome to our new topic no for our pre-finals sa discrete structures. So, I'm sorry if I could not meet you synchronously. So, I only gave you this recorded lesson and I hope that you will watch it until the end, no? Kasi I will give you an activity for after this one. So, it's either dependent, no? I will not tell in which part of this video na maibibigay ko yung activity. So, please watch it until the end. Okay, so I hope you're all ready to listen to our lesson. I hope you have your modules with you or a piece of paper and as well as ball pen, no? Para uh, take down kayo ng notes. Okay, so to start, let's have a recap muna of what we have discussed in a previous lesson. So, previously, we already discussed itong divisor, right? Specifically, the divisibility rules. So, when we say divisibility, meaning to say, that is the ability or a property of a number, no? That can divide a number evenly. So, parang distribution lang ng cake, no? If you share the cake to your friends or to your kapatid, no? Dapat even yung distribution or even yung proportion ng bawat isa. Okay? So, this morning, we will discuss another topic which is about the prime numbers, the GCD, and LCM. So, dagdag ko na lang din dyan yung composite numbers. Okay? So, I know na lahat sa inyo is naka-encounter na ng mga term nito, no? Way back junior high school, senior high school, no? So, this morning we will discuss what is prime numbers, the composite numbers, the GCD or the greatest common divisor or the greatest common factor, and the LCM which is the least common multiple. Okay, so before that, let's have this simple activity muna, no, as an application or as a recap of what we have discussed in our previous lesson. So here we have a problem. Okay, so how can we read this one? So number 1, so we can read this as 1 divides 23. So meaning to say daw, si 1, it can divide 23 evenly. So is it true? Totoo ba na si 1, it can divide 23 evenly? So how can we do that? So previously, di ba, sa divisibility, we have the term or notion, no, or notation for divisibility. I'm sorry for that. Okay. So we have A divides B. So ganun talaga siya, no? Hala, what happened? So ayan, A divides B. No, why? So mayroong something wrong sa aking mouse or sa ink. I don't know why. So, ayun yun siya, no? So, here, can we prove that 1 divides 23? How? So, first, we need to assign saan yung A natin. So, yung A natin dyan is 1, while the B naman natin is 23. Okay? So, we know that B is equal to A times X, where X is any number, no? That we can multiply for A and dapat equals la. So, here, we have 23 is equal to 1 times x. What happened? I'm sorry if ganun yung aking board, no? So, here, x is equal to 23. So, meaning to say, totoo na si 1, it can divide our number na 23 into equal parts. So, meaning to say, divisible si 23 with 1. How about negative 1? So, how about we have a negative number? So, paano niyan siya natin sagutan? So, here, our A, oh my God, what happened sa ating screen? Why? Anong problema? So, assign na natin, ito yung ating A, this is our B. So, therefore, X is equal to 17 over negative 1. And we have an answer na negative 17. Okay? So, even though negative yan siya, no, it still shows a relationship, meaning to say, 17 can be still divided by negative 1. Okay? Meron pa rin yan silang connection or relationship. And tama na negative 1 can divide 17 evenly. Okay, so don't worry with the signs, no? Kasi, pandagdag lang yan siya ng challenge, kumbaga, sa atin. Pero, ganun pa rin yung process. Okay? So, ito, totoo. And this one is also true that negative 1 divides 17. How about negative 5? Does negative 5 divides 0? Can negative 5 divide 0 evenly? Okay. So, ganun pa rin. This is our A. This is our B. And X is equal to negative 0. Okay, 0 over negative 5. So, here we have negative 5. So, totoo pa rin, no? That 0 can divide, negative 5 can divide 0 evenly. Or meaning to say, they have a relationship. So, lalo na ito, no? 75 and 75. So, 75 divided by 75, that is equal to 1. And it shows a relationship. Or, pwede ma-divide ni 75 si 75 evenly. So, I hope that's clear. So, if you have any question, you can comment down below. Okay? So, to start, we have here the prime numbers. So, ano ba ang prime number? So, these are positive integers, P, which is greater than 1, that cannot be divided by any number except themselves and 1. Okay. So, meaning to say, yung factor lang ng ating number, na prime number, is 1 and itself. Okay? So, I believe na naipakita ko din ito sa inyo, itong example natin na prime numbers. So, balikan natin. So, for example, we have a number na 3. So, ano ba yung mga numbers ng 3 na kung saan, if we multiply it, no, yung dalawang number na yon, ang sagot natin is 3. So, ano yun siya? So, we have 1 at saka 3. No? So, dapat whole number. Okay? So, this one is the number 1 or yung 1 and itself is 3. Okay? So, I'm very sorry, no, if ganito yung ink na nalalabas ng aking cursor. No? I don't know what happened here. Bakit ganun ang kanyang performance, kumbaga. So, I'm sorry talaga. No? And so, please bear with me. Okay? Ayan. So, here, no? So, 3 is a prime number. How about 4? Is 4 a prime number? So, ano na ba yung mga factors? Okay? Or ano ba yung mga positive integers that cannot be divided by any number except themselves or except 4 and 1? Ano yung mga factor niya? Okay, we have 1 at saka 4. Pwede ding 2 at saka 2. Okay, so according sa definition ng prime number, dapat themselves and 1 lang. Pero dito, sobra siya. Meron din siyang 2 at saka 2. So therefore, this one is not a prime number. So number 4 is not a prime number. Okay, so I hope that's clear. So I'm very sorry then if mali yung color ng ink na nagamit ko. Masyado siyang bright. Okay. So, another example is 7, no? So, 7 can only be divided evenly into one group of 7 or 7 groups of 1. So, it is a prime number and it cannot be divided up evenly, no? Like this one. Pag ihati natin siya into 3 or into 2, no? We get 2 pairs of 3 and then with 1 left over. And then kapag i-divide naman natin sa tatlo, so we could get 3 pairs of 2 with 1 left over. So 4 or 5 or 6, no? So on and so forth. So 1 in itself lang talaga siya. Okay? So, yan siya ang definition ng prime number. So I hope that's clear. Na hope naintindihan yan. So, in the here, no? BC, yan. Sino kaya ito siya? Do you know him? So, this one, he is Erastothenes. And he is a Greek mathematician. He created a sieve to find out prime numbers. So, sieve, yung parang salaan, okay? Salaan. Like, kapag magluluto ka ng pansit canton, right? You will need a sieve or salaan para mahiwalay yung canton sa tubig, no? So, yan. So, ano yung na-propose niya? Ano yung na-share niya sa world about yung kanyang discoveries about prime numbers? So, Sieve of Erastothenes, yun yung tawag, no? Is a simple and ancient algorithm used to find the prime numbers up to any given limit. So, dito, sa na-propose ni Erastothenes, no? He have given us an idea paano natin ma-identify kung ano yung mga prime numbers. So, for example, ano yung mga prime numbers from 1 to 100 na mga numbers. So, ito yung na-propose niya. Okay? So, to use the sieve of Erastothenes to find the prime numbers up to 100, make a chart of the first 100 positive integers. So, yan. Ito yung chart natin from 1 to 100. Okay? From 1 to 100. So, after that, we need to write the numbers from 1 to 100 in 10 rows of 10. So, 10 rows of 10. So, by 10 dapat siya. Okay? So, here from 1 to 10, then 11 to 20. So, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So, yan. So, after that, we cross off number 1. Okay? Like this one. I-cross off natin or i-alisin natin siya sa listahan. Kasi we know that 1 is a prime number. Okay? So, yan siya. And followed by, okay, so, correction lang, no? Cross off number 1 because all prime numbers are greater than 1. So, dapat greater than 1 yung ating prime number. So, 1, it cannot be considered as a prime number nor a composite number. It is not a prime because it does not have exactly 2 different factors. So, diba, dapat greater than 1 and itself. So, 1 is hindi naman siya greater than 1 kasi 1 siya. And wala naman siyang ibang factor, no? So, therefore, 1 is not a prime number nor a composite number. So, i-cross out natin yan siya. Okay? So, after that, we know that 2 is a prime number, no? It is greater than 1 and it has a factor na 1 in itself, which is 1 and 2. So, i-cross out natin, i-leave natin si 2, pero i-cross out natin, yung mga numbers na multiples of 2 or divisible by 2. So, we have 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, so on and so forth, mga numbers na divisible by 2 or multiples by 2. So, i-cross out natin yan siya. So, the only even number or the only even prime number is 2. And all the other numbers, even numbers, can be divided by 2. So, cross out natin yun siya. Then, after that, number 3. Is number 3 a prime number? Okay, tama, no? So, iwan natin si 3 and i-cross out natin yung mga numbers that is multiples of 3 or mga number that can be divided by 3. So, we have 9, 15, 21, ano pa to dito? 27, and so on and so forth. Okay? So, yan siya. So, the next remaining number is 5. Kaya nahawa naman si 4 kanina. So, we have 5 na lang. So, we keep it and cross off the multiples of number 5. So, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, so on and so forth. Okay? So, cross out na natin yan siya. So, ito lang yung mga naiwan. So, no prime number greater than 5 ends in a 5. So, any number greater than 5 that ends in a 5 can be divided by 5. So, pwede natin i-follow yung rules of divisibility, lalo kapag 5. So, ano yung rule kapag we want to determine if a number is divisible by 5? Dapat the number or the digit ends with 0 and 5, no? So, yan. So, ito lang yung mga na-crush out natin. Okay? So, after that, The final number remaining in the first row is si 7. And 7 is a prime number. So, hindi natin yun siya i-cross out. Pero, i-cross out natin yung mga numbers na divisible by 7. So, how can we determine nga if numbers are divisible by 7? Dapat yung last digit is i-double natin and i-subtract natin siya sa the remaining numbers. So, saan kayo dito sa mga naiwan numbers ang divisible by 7? Okay, we have yun, 49, 77, and 91. Okay? So, yun. So, therefore, itong mga surviving numbers, no? Yung mga hindi natin na-cross out or yung mga naka-color white lang, okay? Colored in white, are mga prime numbers. So, we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 40, 79, 83, 89, and 97. So, yun yung mga prime numbers natin. So, ilan to sila kaya? So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So, 25 prime numbers, no? Between 1 and 100. So, there are 25 prime numbers. So, yun siya, no? Those are mga prime numbers natin between 1 and 100. Okay. So, on the other hand, composite number naman, these are positive integers that is greater than 1 and is not a prime number. It can be divided by at least one other number, yung factor niya, other than itself. So, mean to say, no? For example, we have 6. So, 6 is a composite number. Bakit? Aside sa positive siya, okay, it has a factor other than 1 and itself. So other sa 1 and itself. Now, 1 at saka 6. Okay? And also, other factors niya ay, it can be divided evenly by 2 groups or 2. So, meron tayong ito na illustration, yun nandito. Okay? So, I'm sorry, erase ko na lang yan. So, ito yung number kung saan factor siya ni 6. Or, pwede din, no? Ma-divide natin si 6 into 3 groups. So, hence, 2 and 3 are factors of 6. No? More than 2 yung kanyang factor. Okay? Aside sa 1 in itself. So, we have 2 at saka 3. So, ayan siya, no? So, I hope naintindihan siya. So, how about, let's say we have number, wait lang, pili ako ng color. How about if we have a number, 22? Is 22 composite number? Okay, composite number siya kasi 1 at saka 22. Then, pwede ding 11 times 2, which is 22. Okay? So, we can consider na 22 as a prime number. Okay. So, let's try this one. Ayan, I want you to try this one on your paper, no? And next meeting, I want you to submit it. Write it in a 1/2 crosswise, no? So, hindi lang ito yung dapat yung sagutan. Okay, meron pang ito. So, this one, so determine if a number is a prime or a composite and list their factors. So, we have 29, 24, 11, 17, 28, 20, 23, at saka 12. So, ilan yun siya? We have 2, 4, 6, 8. So, 8 items for this activity. So, take a screenshot of this and write your answer in a clean sheet of 1/2 crosswise. Pwedeng intermediate or pwede ding yellow paper. And submit it next meeting. So, this is the next item. 28, 20, 23, 12. Okay? So, yan siya. So, determine nyo if that number is a prime or a composite. Okay? So, when we say prime, ang kanyang factor lang is 1 in itself. Kapag composite naman, is more than 1 in itself ang kanyang factor. Okay? So, let's move forward to the greatest common divisor, or which is also known as GCD. Okay? Greatest common divisor is about, or also known as the greatest common factor, is about the largest non-zero integer d that is a common divisor of all the given integers if d divides a and d divides b. So, meaning to say, highest common divisor siya or highest common factor of two or more integers. Okay? So, it is the largest or most positive non-zero integer d that is common divisor or factor of all the given integers. So, and is the biggest multiple, okay, of all numbers in the set. So, ito siya, it is denoted by this one, GCD, A, tsaka B. So, two numbers ito siya, okay? Number A, denoted by the first number, and B naman is denoted for the second number. So, here are the steps in obtaining the GCD of two or more integers. I believe meron na kayong idea nito, no? How to determine ano yung GCD ng ating numbers. So, let's try this one. Find the greatest common divisor of 375 and 525. Okay. So, first, find the prime factorization of each integer. So, do you know what is prime factorization is? So, prime factorization is a way to find which prime numbers multiply together to make the original number. Okay? So, prime factorization. We can use yung ating factor 3, no? Using a factor 3, you can write any pair of factors of the given number, then find the factors of these factors. Ano daw? Ano ibig sabihin nun? And after natin laman, no, using yung factor 3, we can write the numbers from least to greatest and count how many numbers are the same and write exponents for them. And list the common prime divisors or yung factors natin with the least power of all the given integers. And then after that, multiply the common prime divisors to find the greatest common divisor or factor. Okay. So, wait lang. Hindi ko pala nabigyan or nalagyan to ng another slide, no? So, wait lang muna. Paano to is pause? How can I pause this one? OMG. I don't know how to pause this one. So, wait lang. So, sit back and relax muna kayo dyan, no? Kasi ladagdagan ko lang to ng slide or blank page yung ating slide. Okay? So, sit back and relax muna kayo dyan. So, I'm sorry, hindi ko pala to siya na-edit. Okay. So, balik tayo doon sa ating slide. Ayan. So, ayan. Ito yung binigay natin na example kanina, di ba? Find the greatest common divisor of 375 and 525. Okay. So, paano natin to alamin yung kanyang greatest common factor or greatest common divisor using prime factorization, specifically the factor 3. Okay, so we know, no, na 375, okay, 375, ang factor niya, it could be 3 and what? 125. Okay? So, 3 is a prime number. Okay ba? 3 is a prime number. So, yan yung first factor niya. And another one, find the factors of the non-prime. So, saan yung hindi prime dito sa dalawa? Itong si 125. So, ano yung mga number or prime factor ni 125? So, ang prime factor ni 125 is 5 at saka 25. Okay. Si 5 is a prime. Pero si 25 is not a prime. So, hanapan na naman natin yan siya ng kanyang factor. Okay? So, I'm very sorry for my ink, no? I don't know why. So, we have 5 at saka 5. Okay? So, after that, after natin ma-determine yung factor ni 375, no? So, i-list natin or write the numbers from least to greatest and count how many numbers are the same and write their exponents. So, from least to greatest. So, yung least to greatest niya is we have 3, then 5. Okay, so, I'm sorry for that. So, another color na lang siguro. So, we have 3, 5, 5, at saka 5. Tama ba? Ilang 5 meron tayo? We have 1, 2, 3. So, therefore, yung mga factors niya is, yes. Ay, nako, I don't know why. What happened here? So, we have 3 times 5 times 5 at saka another 5. Okay? But we can combine these 3 5s, no? And write their exponents. So, since meron tatlong 5, so we can rewrite this as 3 times 5 raised to 3. And that is still equal to 375. Okay ba? Nasusundan pa ba? So, ano yung second number? 525. So, ang factor ni 375 is 3 times 5 raised to 3. So, si 525 naman, okay? So, new color siguro. So, 525 naman, oh my God. Ano naman ito? Uy, bakit naman ganito ating ink? Uy. Oh my God. I'm very sorry, no? I don't know. Ano ba problema nito? Can you comment down below? So, we have 5, 2, 5. So, ano yung mga prime factors ni 5 to 5? So, we can still use yung 3. So, ano kaya? Ano yung mga factors ni 5 to 5? Sige daw. So, 1, 2, 5 times 5. Okay. So, pwedeng, oh my God. So, pwedeng 3 at saka, 175. Oh, hi. Dito tayo matatagalan. I'm sorry, class. Okay. So, sa 175 naman, is ano ba? So, we have 5 and 35. So, prime si 5, si 35 is hindi. And 35, meron din siyang factor na 5 at saka 7. Right? So, yan. So, these are now the factors ni 5 to 5. We have 3 times 5 times 5 times 7. Or, pwede natin ito siyang i-combine. We could get 3 times 5 squared. Oh my God. Madadali na nga ako, diba? So, I'm sorry. Yan. 3 times 5 squared times 7. And that is equal to 5 to 5. Okay. So, yan yung factors ni 5 to 5 at ni 375. So, ililist na natin ngayon yung common prime divisors or factor nila with the least power of all the given integers. So, ano yung least power of all the given integers natin dito? So, ito siya. Sa first natin, okay, pwede natin itong ihiwalay na lang. para meron silang similarities para dito. So, we can write this as 3. My God. So, 3 times 5 squared times 5. Okay? And this one naman is, ayan. So, yung mga common factors nila, we have 3 times, ano pa? At saka, 5 squared. Okay? Yan. This one, and this one. Yan yung common factor nila. So, ito yung common factor ni 375 at ni 525, which is equal to what? 25 times 3? That is equal to 75. So, therefore, GCD of 375 and 525 is equal to 75. Okay? So, yan siya. You can use prime factorization and then factor 3 para ma-determine yung common factor ng ating numbers. So, naintindihan ba? Do you have any question? So, if you have any question, feel free to comment down below, no, your mga queries. Okay. So, let's try this one. So, I want you to try this one. Okay, this will be your another assignment. Find the greatest common divisor of the following pairs of number. Okay? We have only 4 items para dito. 4,480 at saka 10,000. 2,345 and 5,000. 1,346 and 2,248. Then 1,101 and 2,002. Okay. So, kahit ito lang dalawa. Ito na lang dalawa yung sasagutan ninyo. Okay? Aside doon sa yung test 1 kanina about prime numbers and composite numbers. Ito naman, find the greatest common divisor or greatest common factor ng dalawang pairs. So, we have here 2 pairs. Okay? The 1 and 2. So, screenshot nyo. Then, take note of this. Okay, so let's talk about the last topic, which is the least common multiple. Okay, so let me check muna if nag-record pa ba ako. Baka wala na, no? Okay, nag-record pa pala. Okay, so least common multiple. The least common multiple, also known as the least common denominator in fractions of 2 or more integers, is the smallest integer that is a common multiple or denominator of all the given integers a and b. Okay? So, it is denoted by this, LCM of a and b, or the first number and the second number. Okay? The least common multiple. Okay, so let's try this one. Here are the steps in obtaining the LCM, or the least common multiple of 2 or more integers. So, example, find the greatest common divisor of 18 and 20. So, you can use, no, the prime factorization of each number. So, applicable pa rin yung factor 3 or prime factorization para dito. Okay? So, first, list the prime divisors with the greatest number. Okay? Sige, later na lang yan siya. So, hindi ko pala ito nalagyan ng blank space. So, excuse me muna, no? Okay, I'm still here, ha? Don't leave. Okay. Yan. Yun. Or ng blank page. Blank space. So, ano daw yung hanapan natin ng least common multiple? The 18 and 20. So, 18. I'm really sorry for that. 18 So, ano yung mga prime factorization ng 18? So, ano yung mga factors niya? We have, first, pwedeng 3 times 6, right? And then, ang factor ni 6 is 2. Bakit na naman ganito ang buhay? Ayan. 6 times 3, and then 2 times 3. So, ito yung mga factors niya. Okay? We have 2 times 3 times 3. Or simply, 2 times 3 squared. And for 20 naman, tinatest niya, no? Ang aking pasensya talaga. So, sorry. I'm very sorry. Yan, 20. So, yung mga factors niya, we have 2 times 10, right? And then, 2 times 5. Or, in short, ang kanyang factor is 2 squared times 5. Okay. So, after natin ma-list, no? Ayan, after natin ma-undergo siya sa prime factorization, so, list the prime divisors or factors with the greatest power of all the given integers and multiply the prime divisors to find the least common multiple. Ano ibig sabihin yan? So, dito, okay, yung merong greatest na power of all the given integers. So, dito, yung greatest power niya is 3 squared. My God. So, 3 squared. Dito naman is 2 squared. Right? Times 2 squared. So, aside from doon, no? Aside from listing the prime divisors with the greatest power of all the given, okay? We can also add yung pinaka-greatest na number din sa kanila. So, since dito, we have only 2 at saka 3. Dito, we have 2 and 5. So, therefore, we can include 5 dito. Okay? We can include 5 dito na problem. So, times 5. So, what is 3 squared times 2 squared times 5? So, 3 squared, that is 9. 9 times 2 squared, that is 4. So, 9 times 4, that is 36. Okay? Tama ba? And 36 times 5, that is equal to 180. So, therefore, the LCM of 18 and 20 is 180. Okay? So, that's how we can use prime factorization in solving for the least common multiple. So, na yun, using prime factorization, use factor 3 to determine mga factors. So, dito, meron tayong 2 times 3 squared. And sa 20 naman, we have 2 squared times 5. And after that, piliin natin yung meron mga greatest power, no? So, dito, yung greatest power is 3 squared. Dito naman is 2 squared. And another thing is, i-add din natin yung merong greatest number. And another greatest number natin dyan is 5. So, simplify this. We come up with the least common multiple ng 18 at 20, which is 180. Okay, nasundan ba? So, I hope that's clear. So, if you have any question, you can leave your comment below. So, anong difference niya sa GCD? Okay. So, ang difference niya sa GCD, no? Dito is we list, okay, yung common factor nila. So, dito merong 3, dito merong 3 din. So, ililista natin yan. And dito, we have 5 squared. And this one din is merong 5 squared. So, therefore, ililista din natin yan. And meron pa ba silang common factor? Wala na, diba? So, yun lang yung kanyang common factor. Simplify natin, we could arrive with this answer na 75. Okay? Unlike sa least common multiple, yung greatest power and yung greatest number. Ililist natin, then multiply ba them or simplify para malaman natin yung least common multiple. Okay? Naintindihan ba? So, I hope that's clear. So, ayan, no? And as for your last assignment, find the LCM of the following. So, ito lang. The last two number. 240 and 135, tsaka 172 and 426. Okay, find the LCM nilang dalawa. Okay, so let's summarize yung ating lesson this morning. So we have discussed the what? The prime numbers, no? Prime numbers is, meaning to say, yan yung number na kung saan ang kanyang factor is, my God, sorry for that. So, the prime factors or prime numbers, I mean, yan yung mga numbers na kung saan dapat greater than 1 siya, yung integers natin, and yung kanyang factors is 1 in itself. Si Erastothenes, yung nag-propose ng Sieve of Erastothenes, para ma-determine natin yung mga prime numbers. No? Example is yung mga prime numbers from 1 to 100. And yan yun sila. We also discussed the composite number na kung saan positive integers that is greater than 1 and is not prime. Okay? And ayan yung sa assignment ninyo. Okay? This one, and this one, this one, this one, and this one. And write it sa, so parang hindi ka siyang 1/2. So, dapat 1 whole sheet of yellow paper. Okay, so ito yung assignment nyo for this. Determine if the number is prime or composite. So, I have 8 items para dito. Okay? So, greatest common divisor, it is denoted by this one. And about siya sa largest zero integer d, that is a common divisor of all the given integers. Okay? So, kung yung common divisor nila, which is d, dapat d divides a. Okay, yung first number natin. And also, d, it could divide b into equal number or even, no? Evenly. So, dapat d divides b. And we can use prime factorization to determine the factors. Okay? And after natin prime factorize or undergo sa prime factorization yung number natin, determine natin yung commonalities nila, common elements kumbaga. And simplify, we could get the GCD. And else, ito yung assignment ninyo, dalawa lang. Okay ba? Ayan. So, least common multiple naman is denoted by this one. LCM, A and B, or the least common multiple of numbers A and B. And how to do that? We can also apply the factorization, but this time, ililist natin yung mga greatest number and greatest exponent na meron sila. And for your assignment is these two items. Okay, so reminder sana sa 1 whole sheet yellow paper, and next meeting nyo siya isa-submit sa akin. Or next meeting natin to siya checkan. Okay ba? So, that's it. That's the end of our lesson. I hope you have learned something this morning. And I hope na sasagutan ninyo yung assignment. Okay? So, that's it. Goodbye, everyone. I hope you stay healthy and stay safe. God bless.